The factory gives you a masterpiece, a perfect red, anonymous machine. It is a triumph of engineering, but it is not yet yours. At Stickercity, we don't just change colors. We perform an exorcism of the ordinary. Every tuck, every edge is a manifestation of identity. We are the bridge between the factory's lines and your vision. This is 5D depth, a multi-dimensional shift in perspective for the 1% of the 1%. For those who don't just want to be seen, they want to be remembered. Standard is a choice. We choose the extraordinary, from the canyons of LA to the heart of Mexico. Redefine your reality. The Ferrari 12-cylindry, 5D Psychedelic Edition. Standing out is no longer optional. Book your build.